Apple is tapping out. What's up guys, I never thought that this day will come, but guess what? Someone finally made Apple quit, and that someone is not the environment, it is the Big Daddy European Union. Apple is the only smartphone maker out there with their own port since the iPhone 5, bottlenecking the whole industry while everyone else is on USB-C. This has made them a lot of money over the years. They get paid by third-party accessory manufacturers to allow them to use the Lightning adapter. This comes to an end because thanks to EU, Apple is now finally preparing a USB-C iPhone for the next year in 2023. According to two of the most trusted Apple leaksters in the game, Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 15 series could have a USB-C port. Gurman even reports that Apple is already testing out some iPhones with the USB-C port for next year. He also reports that Apple is working on an adapter that would allow future iPhone models to work with the current accessories that are made for the Lightning connector. Thanks to USB-C, we could even see faster charging speeds and even faster data transfer speeds. Finally, someone is making Apple tap out. Just to give you guys a recap, European Union made this new rule that says that all tech devices, not just phones or laptops, pretty much everything, even consoles and controllers, all of them should have one common port, which is the USB Type-C. This rule got major votes in the parliament and it's on its way to be implemented. Apple has to follow this, otherwise they will not be allowed to sell their iPhones in the Europe. They also failed to have a wireless portless solution ready in time, so very likely USB-C is the future. With this news, we can say that the iPhone 14 will probably be the last models to have the Lightning port. Now speaking of the iPhone 14, they're gonna be the most expensive iPhone lineup ever. Yes, according to the latest rumor, all iPhone 14 models are expected to be $100 more expensive than the previous model. Let me know what you think about the price increase. Do you think it's justified since they're finally bringing a new design change? We're also getting a new 48 megapixel camera system with a possible 8K video recording, Apple A16 chip. There's a lot to look forward for sure. But yeah, price increase might not be a good news for most people. And if you can't wait, then Type-C is coming next year as Apple is currently testing it out on some iPhone models. So yeah, it's actually finally happening, which is kind of unbelievable because everyone thought that Apple is just invincible, but seems like they are tapping out. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.